Can you see me? How to use can and can't. Let's learn English. My class, your class.
Can you see me?
No, I can't.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
Can he swim?
Yes, he can.
Can he swim?
No, he can't. Can they skip rope?
Yes, they can. Can he skip rope?
No, he can't.
Can they fly a kite? Yes, they can. Can he fly a kite?
No, he can't.
Can they sing?
Yes, they can.
Can she sing?
No, she can't. Can they travel?
Yes, they can.
Can they travel?
No, they can't. Can he play the guitar?
Yes, he can.
Can she play the piano?
Yes, she can. Can he play drums?
No, he can't.
Can they dance?
Yes, they can.
Can they drive?
Yes, they can.
Can they write?
Yes, they can.
Can he write?
No, he can't.
Can they read?
Yes, they can.
Now, let's review. Can. Can't. See. Swim. Skip rope. Fly a kite. Sing. Travel. Play the guitar. Play the piano. Play drums. Dance. Drive. Write. Read.
What about subscribing my channel?